in Barcelona for Mobile World Congress 2019. We're at the pre-show light reading cocktail hour, and before the thousands of people flood in for our freebie drinks, myself and a few of my colleagues from light reading are going to talk about some of the hot topics we're going to be hearing about this week. I'm going to kick off talking about Edge. This is definitely one of the unknowns for the mobile operators. One of the things that people can see at the show this week is at the Deutsche Telekom booth, where they're showing, doing some live demos of how Edge computing from Deutsche Telekom's own funded startup, Mobile Edge X, how that's enabling multi-gamer AR applications on the stand. But of course, Mobile Edge X isn't the only company here talking about Edge. Lots of other, in fact, there's a new London startup called Ori that also be talking about Edge here, and they've just got some support from Telefonica. So some of the big mobile operators are getting behind some Edge startups. Expect that to be a theme here. Dan, what are you hearing about devices, funky new devices?
Well, you know, if it's foldable and it's 5G, it's going to be expensive. And to that, Huawei announced their Mate X foldable phone today, which comes in at an eye-popping $2,600 US. This is just after Samsung announced their Galaxy Fold in San Francisco. And the reason why some of the Samsung people said it was so expensive, their phone is $1,980, is because they basically use the components from two phones in the Fold to make the foldable device.
Yeah, the thing that I'm excited about and interested in is some of the VR demos that we're going to see tomorrow on the show floor. So some of the companies that are doing those demos have announced what they're going to do. And the two that I thought were the most interesting is, let's see, Ericsson and Intel announced a Batman VR game that they're going to show off at their booths. And then Nokia announced a VR game involving the Spider-Man franchise that they're going to show off. So I think there's going to be some cool stuff on the show floor this year that's tied into a lot of exciting and interesting characters. So excited about that.
People with capes. That sounds exciting.
Oh yeah.
So I'm looking for enterprise use cases for 5G, because now that 5G is here or nearly here, everyone's trying to find ways to monetize the network, and businesses are a great place to start for that. AT&T and Verizon have already talked about how they're using 5G and SD-WAN, not just as another premium connectivity option to fold in, but also as a way to get more information out of the network, because they are, replacing MPLS with this technology. So the extra capability that 5G brings in the network with analytics and all of that will help out tremendously. And that's about it. So generally just looking for big enterprise stories to come from the show floor. And I think that's about it from for all of us here. We're going to find something to drink that's a little bit stronger than this, and we will see you at Mobile World Congress.